Hi, I'm the Master Chief. Happy Thanksgiving. In our family, we have a tradition. Every Thanksgiving morning, we go harvest a turkey. I've set up a series of traps around my property. Let's go see what we got. So over here, I've set up a combination deadfall and rope assemblage guaranteed to capture the largest turkey. As you can see, I've got grain, I've got the deadfall, I've got the rope, nothing here.
Don't you think this is overkill?
Nah. Let's go see what else we got. Dylan, I think we got one.
Where?
Over here. Yeah, we got one, Dylan, we got one. Oh my God, it's beautiful, look at it. Oh my God, it's gotta be at least 10 pounds.
Butterball.
Oh my God, look, all natural, premium young turkey. Hold on, it's not 10 pounds. 16.35. This is awesome. This is awesome.
Now what do we do?
We gotta bleed it.
Oh,
Keep
gosh.
it fresh. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yes.
Hold on. Let's get it all out. Oh, this is awesome. This is awesome, man. Look at that. Oh boy. Woo! Well, there you have it, folks. Thanksgiving morning at the Master Chief's house.